G'day guys, being here. Today we're going to model this furniture. Okay, so let's do it. And this is what it looks like. So it's a parametric family. So you can change all the dimensions. And okay, so oops. Okay, so let's do it. First, create a. Let's start from this generic model template. So first, place some reference plane. So for example, these two, and dimension equal and dimension. So this will be the width of this family. So let's call it W1 and OK. And then, so if this is the overall width of this family, and then so the base will be slightly smaller. So we're going to place some more reference planes. So 1, 2, and also we're going to place some more reference plane. So we'll see we need one at the back, and the reference plane for the base, and another reference plane here, another reference plane here, another reference plane here, and also another reference plane roughly here, because where this change the direction. So okay, so go back to Revit. So let's place some reference planes. So because there's no center in here, so because it's not symmetrical, we can probably just change this one. So instead of have this center from back, and I'll just name this back. So I'll use this as back, and also in here just change this to back. So now let's place more reference plane. So this is for the base, and we also need this one. This one's for the top, where the face change direction, and also we need these two at the front of the base, and we need another one here is for this edge. Okay, so now we're going to place some dimensions here. So di, this will be the depth. Okay, so the depth of from this edge to that edge. So let me just go to Revit. Let's call it D1. Okay, so D1. And then all the base, we will have these dimensions, and then create a, so the base, the offset of the base, I'll just call it OFS and OK. And then I'll just type in 25 for them. Okay, so now we need another 2 dimension here. So this one, and also this one to this one. So these are the 2 dimensions to control. So one is this, so where this change the direction, and the other one's this one, the front of this family. So I will call this D2, and this one will be D3. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm not sure if we should use type parameter or the instance parameter, but yeah, I think just let's use type parameter. Okay, so what's next? Let's start to place all the geometry. So first, place this one, the base. Okay, so the base will be a extrusion up with a corner, so radius. Extrusion, rectangle, start from here to here, and then lock onto reference plane. And then use a fillet arc, pick these two edge, and just place anywhere here. So now just click on this toggle join tangency and this one as well, and also create a radius. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now select 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 radius parameter. Let's call it R1. Okay, and then let's say 100. Okay, so go to family types, change this R1 to 100, and OK. So now finish it and go to front view. We just need to, we don't have that reference plans yet, so that's OK. And also try to only use one view. So we have this sorry, not one view. Try to only have all your reference dimensions and parameters in two views. One is the floor plan, okay, and the other one will be the one of the elevation. So in this case, I'll just use left. Okay, try to only place your parameters in two views. So in this left, so I'm going to place some more reference plans. So the first one is this one, so the top of the base, so this, and then we need another one for the height of this one, so it will be here, and another one will be here. So now let's go back. So this is the base, and another one roughly here, another one here. So first one dimension here, and I think we need, what's the height of that base? 100. So yeah, just change this to 100. And also you can just change this one, give it a parameter so we can change it later. And also we need another one here. So hang on, let me just have a look of the floor plan. Maybe, yeah, I think maybe it's easier for, so see this one, D1 is start from the very back of this family. D2, same from very back. I think maybe we should, yeah, maybe we should use start from the back of the family for the D3 as well. So at least we, from the D3 we know that this is the actually the overall. So otherwise we don't have any parameter or dimension telling us the overall dimension. So I'll just select this dimension, drag this point to the back, okay, and then just select this dimension again and link it back to D3. So good. So now the same, let's go to the left. So what I'm going to do is I want to have this H1 here, and I want to have this one also start from either this reference level or this reference plane on this reference level. So I'll call this one H2, and I'll create another one. So this one will be H3. So at least, so H3 is the overall. So you can even rename it overall height. But I'll just call it H3 for now. So this is left. This is, so this side. So this is back. This is front. So now let me just move this a little bit to the right. So the shape of this family will be, so if you follow my cursor, so it start from here, down to here, go back here, then, oh, sorry, I forgot to link this to the reference plane. and then lock. So now we can create so we have already finished the base, and then we can create this part. Okay, so let's do it. So actually you have different options. You can try to create a blend. So start from this base, go up and change the profile, and somehow you can cut a void. But today, oh sorry, where's it? I'm going to use extrusion from the side, so which is left. Okay, so let's do it. Create extrusion. So I'm going to use pick reference plane. I'll check this lock and pick this edge, and also pick this edge and pick this reference line. Oh, sorry, reference plane, and trim. So now I'm going to draw lines. Start from this here. Start from here. So start from here down to here and go back to here. So and then trim and trim. So I'll just finish this one. So now I'll just have a try, because sometimes you don't need to lock them. So you will see it follows the reference plane. All good. I'll try this one as well. Yeah, all good. So now what we need to do is let's go to floor plan. So this is the extrusion. So we just need to drag this to this edge, lock, drag this to this edge, and the lock. So now let's have a look in 3D view. Okay, so this is roughly the shape, but without the corner. So for the corner, we need to cut them. Okay, so let's do it. So it's actually quite easy. You can just create a void sweep and pick this path, and then finish and edit profile. So what we need is, so let's say these are all 100 radius. Okay, so what we need is, we just need to draw a line 100, draw a line 100, create a arc. Oops, sorry, not this one, this one. So this one here, 2 and 3, and then just click on this one, toggle join tangency, and also we need to create a radius. So but we can't do it in 3D view, so we have to go to floor plan, select this and create this radius, and I want to link this to R1. Okay, and then because you can just finish it, but actually because this one and I think, yeah, we can't do it all together, so just finish it and then finish it. So now let me change it to shade SD, so you will see that's it. And let's just copy this one, Control C, and paste in same place, edit, pick path, delete this path, pick 3D edge, pick this edge, finish it. Looks like we need to rotate the profile, so edit, go to floor plan again, just check, so you can see still have that radius, that's good. I'll just, yeah, still lock that tangency, which is good. I'll just rotate it. Okay, so RO, RO space, pick this point here, go to here. No, hang on, let me change the scale, so it's too big, can't really see. Okay, so it looks like into RO space, we need to rotate it by 90 degrees, and we may need to move this up by 100, and finish. And okay. Okay, so now that's it. So I just want to have a test. So if I change the width of this family, so width, I need to make sure so the void will follow this solid. Okay. So then that's good. So I'm going to just paste another one. Okay, so along to the same place. So that's the void, edit, and pick path, delete this path, pick 3D edge, pick this one, finish. So yep, it's there, good. So and then just finish it. And it's not cutting. Let's try cut void. Oh, sorry, cut. Click on the solid and void. It looks like we need to extend this void. So edit, pick path, click on this path, drag this down, finish, and finish. That's it. And then let's paste another one. Edit, pick path, delete, pick 3D edge, pick this one, drag this down, and finish. Good. Finish, and just cut solid void. And that's it. So just want to have a test again. So apply. Good. So see, these 4 voids will follow the shape of this solid. Okay, so let's have a look. Now we need to create this part. So yeah, it's a little bit awkward to create this in Revit. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's the best way to do it, but if you have better idea, please let me know. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll create an extrusion and then more extrusion or sweep, but yeah, so let's do it. So first go to left view. So we're going to create an extrusion look like this. Okay, so okay. Okay, let me have a think. So first we need one reference plane. So this will be, because the arc will be 100, I'll just use the R1 to control this. And then we need another reference plane, but because you can't rotate a reference plane, because when you change it, so for example, if I change the height, this, you will change the direction of this face. So if you place a reference plane, no, you can't, you just can't do it. You can't do it. Oh hell, what's this? What's this? Okay. It looks like that's okay. So it looks like we just need to extend this, and the same this one as well. So okay, so that's it. So go back to left. So which means what we need is we need a reference line. Okay, so now I'm going to just HH this solid. So HH, yep. So what I'm going to do is I'll create a reference line instead. So and then start from this intersection and to here. So now this reference line should follow the reference plane. So you will see if I change the depth and the height, it will always follow these 2 intersection points. And now we can, from this reference plane, we can place another reference plane. Oh, sorry. From this reference line, we can place another reference line. So set word plane, pick a plane, okay, and pick this reference line, and then create another reference line here, so parallel to this reference line, yeah, and add dimension to it, and then link that R1 to it. So now if I if I move this, so you will see the other reference line will always follow this one. So now we have this, and then we have yep, okay, so we need an arc here. We need an arc here. So we just need to figure out, okay, we need another reference plane here. So we can lock that arc, the center point of that arc to this point, then have a radius of 100 arc. So do dimension, and then this one will be R1 as well. Okay, so arc here, linked to here, connected to here, and then we will need a radius, but we probably only need a radius parameter for this one, another radius parameter for this one. We don't need extra reference plane. So here we need to have an arc here as well. So which means we probably need some. Okay, so let's do reference line. So same, let's go back, set world plan, still set this reference line, create another reference line here, go up perpendicular to this one. Okay, so I'll just trim them, and then we will need another one here. So I'm going to just create another one here, and so same perpendicular to this one, and do a dimension, and this dimension go R1. So now let's try this. So you will see this is always 100 by 100. So okay, so now we can create that extrusion. So use pick line lock. So let's start from here. Okay, so start from here, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then we need an arc. So it will be this center and arc. Start from here, center point, start from here to here, and then let's go to here. So another one, center point, here to here. So now we can trim. Okay, so trim and trim here, trim here, trim here, and trim here. So now we need to create. So use this fillet arc. So this one, and then you just need to decide a radius for this one. So click on this one and toggle join tangency and create a radius. So from here I can't really tell. Maybe I'll just give it a number. Okay, so maybe how about 500, and then I'll just create a radius R, this time R2 I think. Okay, and then another one here. So same and radius. So this one I'll just I'll call it R3, but I know that this one will be R2 plus 100. Okay, so just go to family type R3 equals R2 plus 100, or maybe not 100, R1. Yeah. So okay, so now let's have a look over here. Oh, hang on, something's not right. Why it's moved? Let's just do it again. Sorry. Start from center point here to here. Yeah, and lock radius and give it R1. So let me change the scale a little bit. 10, maybe 5. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I want to use VV. Just go here to check the sketch dimensions to help me. So you will see all these blue. So the best is if we can get rid of all of them, that's the best. So it looks like the center point. So just check this center mark, and just let me just TL to, yep, that's better. See this center mark? I'll lock onto the reference plane. Yep, that's better. So this one as well. Oops, over constraints, just cancel it. I think all good. So there's another one here. So we just need to, I think should be okay. This one should be okay. So let's have a test. So if I finish this one, so this is a extrusion. So if I drag this up, down, so see if it's not breaking. That's good. All good. So you'll see, you'll change the shape. Yeah, I think that's good. So let's have a look in 3D view. So that's it. Let's go to floor plan, and then we can just drag this one. So we can't see the top part. This is because the view range. So in family, so to find the view range, you need to click on this. Okay, so you need to click on this, so then you can see this view range. So we can just increase the view range so we can see everything. Okay, so now we can select this one, drag to this reference plane, and lock. Go to 3D view. Maybe not those one. Sorry. Hang on, let me have a look. Excuse me. Not here, so we need to drag it back. So let's go to floor plan again. I'm just going to drag this back. Remove constraint as well. So it looks like we need extra reference plane. So just create another one here, another one here. Do a dimension. So 1, 2, and another one, 1, 2. So select these two, call it R1, and then drag this reference plane to here, lock. This one to here, lock. So have a look in 3D view. Yep, that's almost there. Almost there. Oh, why there's a line there? Okay, so because when we created this solid, we didn't add a radius, that's fine. So we can go back to the left. So HR, let me just TL. Oh, looks like it's because of the scale. It's the line is very thin. But that's fine. Maybe change it to shade, SD, and then we just need to edit extrusion. Just apply the same. So let me just try to add it. Okay, so first, and then lock join tangency, and then create a radius and link this to R2, I believe. Oh, hang on, is that right? Nope. Okay, hang on, let's go back, Control Z. We need to, looks like we need to lock, because if we use this one previously, we used this point and this point to constrain this. Maybe we should do this, just try to find the reference line. So previously we have this reference line. So you can look at here. So look at here. So that's different name. Okay. So so currently the geometry, try not use geometry. So tab. What's this one? Still the extrusion node. Tab again. Reference line. So use this reference line and lock this. And same, I'm going to use this reference plane to lock this. Oh, it's already locked, so you won't be able to pick. And then try to change this to link this to R2. So you'll see this time it won't go very funny shape. because this edge is locked onto the reference line. So now it's all good. So if I finish this and go back to 3D view, you will see the shape of these two now matches. And so I'll see if I can join them. Yep, good. So if it's, yeah, it's not perfect here, but at least here it's perfect. So now we can, yeah, I know it's awkward, but yeah, now we can try to fix, fill this part. So we can do this. So sweep, pick path. So start from here, 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 and then finish, edit profiles, and we're going to do it in the front view because this view perpendicular to this this part of path. Okay, so which means we can add dimension. So I'm going to just pick line and pick this reference plane, lock it, this reference plane. Okay, so trim, add a arc, start from here to here. Radius, trim, trim, and link this to R1. So finish, go to 3D view, finish, and then I'll see if I can join them. Oh, that's fine. No, that's all okay. Oh, hang on. Which edge did I pick? So this is something I just find it's a little bit awkward here as well. So I'll leave it for now. So now for this part, we can just fill it. So we can just create a revolve set or a plan first. Pick a plan, pick this, and just need to create this shape. And also we need to pick an axis line and then finish it, and we can change the angle from 270 to 360. So if I HR was the only quarter of this, and I'll see if I can join it again. This one's fine. Oh, all good, perfect. Okay, so now let's have a look at this part. Again, let's just do a revolve, set or a plan, pick a plan, okay. I'm not sure which part, still this one. Okay, so pick line 1, 2, 3, trim, and also we need an axis line here, and finish, and 270. And let's try join them. Oops, no, doesn't work. Control Z. And also, how it looks like, yeah, there's some issue here. I think it's because of, okay, it's because of this part, the path of this one. So I'll just delete them. I'll delete this. So when we create this one, I think instead of this path, we need to pick the path on here. So let's do it again. So sweep, pick path. I'll start from here. 1, 2, 3. Finish, edit profile, go to front view. So we're going to still pick a reference plane. So 1, 2, trim, another arc, here to here, trim and trim. Select this, radius, link to R1. Okay, so finish, go to 3D view, try to join. That's fine, Control Z. Okay, so now let's place this revolve, set work plan first. Okay, so pick this plan, pick line 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry, wrong one. 1, 2, 3. Trim, and oh, hang on. Instead of pick this edge, I want to place an arc. Okay, so and then create a radius and then link to R1s. So and then also we need an axis line. Pick this face, finish, change it to 270, and let's join. Great. Oops. That's fine. Yeah. Let's try this. No, it doesn't work. That's fine. So yeah, I know it's not perfect, so you will see this line, but the geometry is actually correct. Okay, so now let's try this part. This one, revolve, set work plan, pick plan. Okay, pick this and pick line. So 1, 2, and okay. So this part is will be a little bit hard, I think. Okay, because so you will see in 3D view you can't. Let's try. So if I can dimension it, yes, actually we can dimension it and link it to R1. So now we can axis line, pick this edge, and okay, change it to 270. Okay, so this time I think it's matching. So you will see it's matching the other geometry. Yeah. So now let's try if I can join them. Still doesn't work, but at least the shape is good. So see if I can. No, not this. That's fine. So, and I think I'll just quickly do this. Okay, so create sweep. So pick path 1, 2, 3, and finish, and then edit profile. Pick. So I'm going to just pick this one, trim, and radius. Oh, sorry, arc, and create a radius di radius, and link it to R1, and finish and finish. Let's join them. Doesn't work. Join this. Doesn't work. That's fine. And then create revolve, set work plan, pick plan. Okay, pick this plan, pick line 1, 2, trim. Another one will be the arc, and di dimension radius. Make sure you pick this edge. Okay, so see, don't pick this face. Pick this edge. So use tab and then link this to R1 and finish. Axis line. Pick this finish 270, and let's see if we can join them. That's fine. Okay, so last one. Set work plan. Pick a plan. Pick this one. Revolve. Pick line 1, 2. Trim. Arc from here, 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 and then di dimension radius. So make sure you tab and create this radius and link this to R1, and also add an axis line. Pick this. Okay, 270, and then join. Probably won't work. That's fine. So yeah, you can see this line. I think it's not perfect, but the shape, I think it's correct. So now let's have a test. Okay, so let's try change the width Okay, it looks like these sweeps are not following the edge. Okay, that's okay. Let's try to just edit them. So edit sweep, pick path, and pick 3D edge, pick this edge, and delete the original one. Finish and finish. Okay, so let's do this one. So edit, pick path, pick 3D edge, pick this edge, and delete the original one. And also this one needs to be a little bit longer. So I'll just type in 1.5 meter. Okay, so finish and finish. This one as well. Edit, pick path, pick 3D edge, pick this edge, delete the original one, change the width, length of this, finish, finish, and yeah, let's try again. So 1.5, yeah, this time it works. Okay, so let's try some different dimensions. So good, good, good. What's this one? And this one. Oops, looks like there's some issue here. Some issue here, but I think oh, interesting. It looks like it's fixed. Anyway, that's it. That's it's quite a long video today. If you have better ideas, please let me know. So I know that's always different ways to model the same thing, and sometimes it's you might find an much easier way to do it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.